Microsoft C# Basics. Microsoft C#, pronounced C#, is a modern, general-purpose, object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft. It was introduced in the early 2000s as a part of the .NET framework and has since become one of the most widely used programming languages in the Microsoft ecosystem. C# is designed to be a versatile language that can be used for a wide range of software development tasks. It combines the power and flexibility of C++ with the simplicity and ease of use of languages like Java. C# is known for its strong typing, garbage collection, and extensive support for object-oriented programming principles. One of the primary purposes of C# is to enable developers to build robust and scalable applications for the Windows platform. It has a rich set of libraries and frameworks that provide developers with tools for creating desktop applications, web applications, mobile apps, and even game development using platforms like Unity. C# syntax is similar to other C-style languages, making it easy for developers familiar with C, C++, or Java to quickly grasp the fundamentals. The language emphasizes readability and maintainability, allowing developers to write clean and organized code. C# offers features like automatic memory management through a garbage collector, exception handling for robust error management, and support for multi-threading to enable efficient concurrent programming. It also provides advanced language constructs like delegates, events, and link, language integrated query, for powerful data manipulation. While C# was initially developed for the Windows platform, Microsoft has made efforts to make it more cross-platform. With the introduction of .NET Core, C# can now be used to build applications that run on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This has expanded the reach of C# to a broader audience of developers. 1. Features. Object-oriented programming language. C# supports the principles of encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, enabling developers to create reusable and modular code. Strong typing. C# enforces type safety, preventing type mismatches and providing compile-time error checking. Garbage collection. C# manages memory automatically through a garbage collector, freeing developers from manual memory management. Exception handling. C# provides robust exception handling mechanisms to gracefully handle runtime errors and prevent application crashes. 2. Syntax. C# uses a C-style syntax, making it familiar to developers with experience in C, C++, or Java. Code is organized into classes, which contain methods, properties, fields, and events. Statements are terminated with a semicolon, and blocks of code are enclosed in braces. C# is case-sensitive, meaning that variable names and method names must match exactly in terms of casing. 3. Limitations. C# is primarily designed for developing applications on the Microsoft .NET platform, limiting its usage on other platforms. As a statically typed language, C# requires explicit declaration of types, which can sometimes lead to verbose code compared to dynamically typed languages. C# may have a steeper learning curve for beginners due to its extensive feature set and complex concepts. 4. Pros and cons. Pros. Robust and mature language with a large ecosystem and community support. High performance and efficient memory management through the garbage collector. Seamless integration with other .NET languages and frameworks. Cons. Limited cross-platform capabilities compared to languages like Python or JavaScript. Requires a Windows environment for full utilization of Microsoft-specific features. Can be more verbose compared to dynamically typed languages. 5. Purpose and usage. C# is commonly used for developing Windows desktop applications, web applications using ASP.NET, mobile apps using Xamarin, and game development using Unity. It is also extensively used for back-end development, cloud services, and enterprise software development. 6. Versions. Microsoft C# initial release in 2002. C# has undergone several updates and versions, each bringing new features and improvements. Let's explore the various versions of C# and the notable features introduced in each release. Version 1.0, 2002. This was the first version of C# and introduced essential features like garbage collection, exception handling, classes, and interfaces. It laid the foundation for subsequent versions of the language. Version 2.0, 2005. C# 2.0 focused on improving productivity by introducing features such as generics, anonymous methods, nullable types, iterators, and partial types. These additions made coding in C# more expressive and reduced boilerplate code. Version 3.0, 2007. C# 3.0 was a significant release that introduced important language enhancements, including Language Integrated Query, LINQ, a powerful feature that allows developers to query various data sources using a common syntax. Automatic Properties, making property declaration more concise by generating getters and setters automatically. Anonymous Types, the ability to create types without declaring a specific class. Extension Methods, adding new methods to existing types without modifying their original source code. Version 4.0, 2010. C# 4.0 focused on dynamic programming and runtime type identification. Key features introduced in this version included Dynamic Keyword, enabling dynamic typing in C# code. Named arguments and optional parameters, allowing developers to specify parameter values by name and define optional parameters with default values. Improved COM interop, enhancements to easily work with Component Object Model, COM, components. Version 5.0, 2012. This version primarily focused on asynchronous programming, with the introduction of asynchronous methods using the async and await keywords. It simplified writing efficient and responsive code by allowing developers to express asynchronous operations more naturally. Version 6.0, 2015. C# 6.0 introduced several language enhancements and productivity improvements, including String interpolation, a more readable and concise way to concatenate strings. Null conditional operators, simplified null checking by introducing AND operators. Auto property initializers, the ability to provide default initialization values for properties without explicitly writing constructors. Version 7.0, 2017. C# 7.0 focused on improving code readability, performance, and versatility. Noteworthy features include Pattern matching, enhancements to the switch statement to allow pattern matching against types and values. Tuple types, the ability to define tuples with multiple fields and access them by name or index. Local functions, the ability to define nested functions inside a method's body. Version 8.0, 2019. C# 8.0 brought significant advancements in language design and introduced various features, such as nullable reference types, enhancements to allow developers to express the presence or absence of null values in reference types. Asynchronous streams, the ability to consume streams of data asynchronously using the async and await keywords. Default interface methods, enabling interfaces to provide default implementations of methods. Version 9.0, 2020. The latest major release of C# brought various new features and introduced enhanced language capabilities, including records, a concise way to define immutable and data-focused types with built-in equality checks and copy semantics. Top-level programs, Simplified entry point syntax by allowing developers to write C# code without explicitly defining a class or method. Native sized integers, new integer types that map directly to native sized integers on the target platform, improving performance and interoperability. Summary: C# is an object-oriented programming language with strong typing, garbage collection, and exception handling. It uses a C-style syntax and is primarily designed for the Microsoft .NET platform. C# is known for its robustness, performance, and integration with other .NET languages. However, it has limitations in cross-platform capabilities and requires a Windows environment. C# finds applications in various domains like desktop, web, mobile, game, backend, and enterprise development. Thanks for watching.